Hey, I wanted to do a quick screen for what I'd like to have you do. So within Zapier, you're gonna find that there are certain Zaps that are outdated. You can go there by going into apps, find calendar, and you notice that some of these are outdated. For those that are, please go ahead and update them. And to do so, you go into the Zap, itself, click on View in Editor, go to that specific portion, Setup, Edit Draft, click Edit Draft. In the Setup portion, click Update, click Confirm Update, and start using the new account. You can pick the same one. I'll make sure, let me share this. Continue. Make sure that you double check and it has all the same parameters as before. After that's done, please click continue, avoid testing, do it for the other portions as well, and then click publish. Let me know if you have any questions. And so let me show you for this one too. Continue, publish. Cool. And that's it.